Hello, beautiful people out there all over the world. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, what's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Nikki. It is your favorite southern home girl, your favorite country bumpkin. Now, I wouldn't go as far as like all of that, but welcome back to my channel, you guys. Seriously, if you don't know who I am, my name is Nikki. And if you do know me, thank you so much for coming back. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the notification bell beside it so you never miss an upload from me. My intro changes so much. I don't like saying the same thing all the time, but I will tell you every single time to subscribe. Every single time. Every single time. No, just kidding. But welcome back to my channel. Now, today's video is going to be a natural protective styling hair video, but I wanted to come on first and like do the intro before I actually show you guys the style that I am going to be doing. So we're gonna get into that soon, but I just wanted to come in and let you guys know to subscribe to my channel and let my new viewers know who I am. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Like, I can't say that enough. Subscribe. Like, if you ain't already subscribed, you need to be subscribed. So we're gonna get into the hair portion really soon. As you can tell, I am getting ready to take this out. As you can tell, this style is, you know, old. My hair is like starting to come down out of the ponytail, the little bun at the top, and it's just getting old. The hair is starting to mat together, but this lasts me a really good 3 weeks, as you know, I thought it would be like 2, but it actually ended up lasting me a good 3 weeks. The hair was really good. If you saw in my video, come to the beauty supply store with me, or come to the hair store with me, I can't remember exactly what the title is, but I'll link that video down below if you want to know what type of hair this is, the color, and all of that details. I'll link the video down below so you guys can check out the hair if you're interested in this hair and then you want to do a style that's similar, or you just want to do a style with some red hair. You know, it's fall, it's winter. I'm definitely into the reds and the browns and the auburns, you know, the dark colors, you know, even bright colors. If you want to do some bright colors, you know, whatever floats your boat. So I'm actually getting ready to remove this crochet now. It is crochet, so I had just like a top bun situation. Around Halloween, I did add some of this string in, and yeah, it's ready to come out. It's done got all tangled up, and I'm just ready to do something really different and just something that kind of lasts me. I am getting my hair braided, getting some just basic feed-ins next week for Thanksgiving, and I'm also going to be attending the K. Michelle concert, so I wanted to definitely have my hair done for that. But I do need a protective styling to hold me over, just so that I'm not having to continuously do my hair, and this definitely did the job for me. But unfortunately, it is time for me to take it out, so I'm going to be removing this first, and I'll be back for the natural protective style. So I'll see you soon.